Well, hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. In my case, I have Java pre-installed with Unity, but for some reason Unity is searching for JDK here. And let's investigate. What's this? What's here? Ooh, nothing. Let's figure out at which folder this junction is pointing at. We go, thanks to administrator, we go to this location. You see CD, then we type dir to find the target of this junction, and we can see boom boom boom. Let's go. Oh, and we can see that there is not JDK in here. There is no JDK. So well, let's then create another OpenJDK. This is, I have it here, you see. Make link JOpenJDK2, and let's have a look at where it points at. Let's have a look. And yeah, good. We have it pointing at Java, which is pre-installed with 2022.3. Actually, it's like fake. It's a different, like real location is different. Now we just replace. What? Okay, now let's do this like manually, because why not? All right. Hopefully it's going to work. Okay, we have it. Now we are going to restart. Oh, look, it's working now. Okay, now we have different problem. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time. Bye bye, and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting, or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye.